sheet metal factory. So follow me, here we go.
Okay. Well, how long have you been working here?
I've been here about 5 years since I came from the US.
Really? So what did you do at before? Are you experienced on this?
Yes, that's true. I used to be the engineer in this industry about 10 years.
Oh, so in the American 5 years, you also okay. So could you introduce for us?
This is our plant and our machine testing basement. All our new machine models will be tested, and you can see there is our cutting area.
Okay.
And you can see there are 2 machines.
Okay.
And we use a fiber cutter to cut the metal. It will keep the accuracy.
Yeah.
It's a lot better than other traditional cutting methods, I think.
Yeah. Yeah. So today we may see the cutting process.
Yes.
So how long have you been here?
I think it's about 6 years to be here.
Yeah. These 2 machines different. So
Yeah.
this one is new one. I saw it had before.
Yes,
This
right.
is the old design.
Yes, it's an old model, but
Okay.
you can see, even if it has worked 6 years here, but its quality and cutting performance is still very well.
Okay, the machine is working now.
Yes, it's working.
Okay,
you can see.
Yeah, can we see it?
Yes, of course, you can
Yeah.
see.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Today we mainly check that one. This is that new machine.
Yes.
It's mainly for the market now.
Yes, it's
Okay.
our flag model,
Okay.
sheet flag model machine.
Wow.
Yes, right.
Yeah.
You can see.
How about the power of this model?
It's 6 kilowatts, I think.
6 kilowatts.
Yes, 6 kilowatts. It's a high power machine. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Let's check.
Okay. Sauce,
Okay.
and it's you can see it's 6 kilowatts.
Okay.
6 kilowatts, and it's working. This one is an industrial dust collector.
Okay. This is for the environment.
Yes, right. It's for the environment friendly.
Okay.
Yes.
This is by GWEIKE. This.
Yes, we made by ourselves.
Oh,
Yes,
amazing!
right.
Yeah. This is very important for European customer normally.
That's true, indeed.
Yeah, this is a water chiller. I know
Water
this.
chiller.
Yes.
Water chiller.
Okay. I can see this air compressor for what?
Air compressor is our it's parts. That's optional parts.
Optional
you can
parts.
choose. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. If you cut more stainless steels,
Okay.
aluminum,
Yeah.
you can choose that air compressor. Whole set air compressor.
Okay. This is could replace the nitrogen or oxygen.
Yes. For some materials, it can replace some oxygen and mostly it's nitrogen.
Nitrogen.
Yes,
Okay.
that's right.
It's for the same cost, right? I know in some countries the nitrogen guys say that expensive or not easy to get it.
Yes, that's true. So you can choose this one air compressor for
Okay.
cutting. Yes, aluminum and stainless steel is will save you a lot of money. That's
Okay.
right. Yes,
Okay,
that's really good option.
Okay, I think our customer may interested about this it save money.
Yes.
So if any customer interested in about the air compressor, just send the message to our sales assistants.
Yes, right.
Okay, we can see the machine how it changing the 2 working area.
Yes, it's exchanging platform, working platform.
Yeah.
It will be more convenient for you to cut
Yeah.
when you put the material on one flat board, and another one is on the back, and it will save you much time and
Okay.
improves efficiency, working efficiency. Yeah.
Okay. So it means it greatly proves the efficiency, working efficiency,
Yes.
save time.
Yes, right.
Okay, the machine, if so, it don't need a weight, just keep working.
Yes, right.
Okay, and we can see over there this exhausted fan.
Yes, right. This is our new design. From the top, you can see the exhaust smoking can be exhausted from the top very quickly. Then the bottom. So
Okay.
it's performance is very good. I think it's our new design.
Yeah, as I know, we can see. As I know, many customers have the problem about the smoke, as the
Yes.
especially cutting the carbon steel.
Yes.
Yeah, it easy have the smoke. So this would make the smoke all up.
Yes. From the top, the smokes can be exhausted from the top.
Okay. Wang, could you show me us the machine working condition?
Yes, sure. This machine is working. And,
Okay.
from the glass of the cabinet, you can see how it works now.
Okay. Okay. So this is a separate software.
Yes, right.
Yeah, it's for the cutting and the nesting. It's combined, and we can see it has the alarm function.
Yes.
Also from 3 months ago, it already updated the obstacle avoiding function.
Yes, right. It has a lot of functions.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the alarm function could protect both the people and the machine.
Yes, right. So it's most popular software for the laser cutting machine in China now.
Okay.
A lot of the mainstream suppliers use this software.
Yeah.
Yes.
It also is easy to operation.
Yes, very easy operated. Maybe it take you just about maybe 7 or 10 days you can handle it.
Okay,
Yes, right.
that's great.
Yes, indeed.
Okay. Yeah, I can see this two machines looks not very same.
Yes.
It's new.
Yes, it's new. You can see the outlook. It's much more cuter than that
Cuter.
one. Yes.
Yeah. This looks is the blue color.
Old-fashioned.
Yeah, old fashioned.
Yes, right.
But it's still strong.
It's still
6
strong.
years.
Yes. This fellow is older than me in here.
Yeah.
But it's still very strong and the work is still very harder.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. These two model always a carbon cover.
Yes.
Yeah, the cover. Every model is with the cover.
No. Part of them have
Okay.
covers. This cover can keep you stay away from the cutting.
Yeah.
Yes, it's safe. It's more safe for you.
Oh, it's
Yes.
for protect the worker.
Yes, right.
Okay.
Right. That's
Okay.
right.
I
yes.
see. Thank
Yeah.
you. So what's the next normal?
This one is also bending area. You can see there are 3 bending machines here.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, this is a workpiece.
Yes, it's finished parts from the bending. You can see that?
Okay.
Yes, right?
Okay.
This one, you can see that? It's finished bending parts.
Okay.
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 So it's very intense.
Okay. So the machine cut the it out and then the machine bending it.
Yes.
Like this way.
Yes, right.
Okay. Fiber laser welding.
Yes, right. We also a supplier of a laser welding machine. You can see.
Okay.
Yes, it's very fast.
Ah,
That is
strong.
yes, and very strong, very intense.
Okay. This machine makes some customer very interesting as well.
Yes.
As I can see, it welding very fun.
Yes, right. And it's very fast. Yes.
And this one, it looks this one even smaller.
Yes, we have 2 models.
Two
This one
models.
is smaller.
Okay.
This one is
It looks very fun.
yes, it's even better than the traditional welding.
Yeah,
Okay,
I
you
can see it.
Yes, right. And
Okay.
no extra polishing. You can do
Okay.
it one time.
Yeah,
No,
so it means the welding surface, the gap is very fun. No need a pricing or.
company choose to use the after the bending,
Yeah.
you can go to the molding area. go to the molding area.
Molding area.
Yes.
Can
we check
you
that.
introduce for
Okay.
us molding?
Okay. This way, please.
Okay. Nice.
This one,
Okay.
you can see this. It's molding. The whole set. You. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So there are no gaps here.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. If so, it's for painting easy.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Right. Okay. Next.
Okay.
Step.
What's over there?
It's our painting area. It's also a very important area. We can check there.
Painting. Oh,
Yes.
okay. I see. Make the smooth just for painting, right?
Yes, right. You
Okay.
can see the whole plant of painting, and we have a very strict process.
Really?
That's right. About 1 hour and 185 degrees baking processing.
Okay.
So we can see this.
This finished work piece.
Yes, all of these are finished.
I can touch it.
Yes, you can touch.
Yeah,
Feel it.
yeah. Yeah, it looks coarse, right?
Yes, there is very hot. So
Yeah, baking.
yeah, okay. How do you feel about it? Yes, that's right. It's integrated part.
Okay. Okay, so over there is for the machine bed.
Yes, all of these are machine bed. It's a plate welding bed. It's very
Okay.
strong and
Yeah. Okay.
keep 20 years work.
Okay, really? Yeah, I can see in our another factory in
Yes.
the installation basement have another the machine bed workshop also.
Yes, right. But we can make it the machine bed by ourselves.
Mm-hmm.
We can keep our machine's quality
Yes.
under our control.
Yeah.
So this is our most advantages compared to other suppliers.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Most of the manufacturer would use the welding machine bed, right?
Yes, but maybe they are iron casting bed. But iron casting bed, there are many processes that are not very good quality now. It's not mature.
Yeah. It means that technology limited.
Yes, very limited.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, right.
Yeah, so today is very thank you about your time. We not very clear, but it's a very we know the whole process about a process.
Yes, hope you like it. Hope you like it.
Yeah, really.
Yeah, it's my pleasure.
Yeah. So I believe many customers have many questions about those China sheet metal industry. Hello everyone, I'm Linda Luan.
Hello, Mr. Herman. Welcome
Mr.
to GWEIKE. I'm Leo.
Thank you.
Today I will show you our factory.
Oh, there you go. Thank
This
you.
way, please.
I can't wait how it looks.
This is your first time to China?
No, I've been here for almost 4 years.
4 years.
Yeah.
Do you like the life in China?
Yeah. I wouldn't be here for too long if I didn't like the place.
You like it.
Yeah, of course.
So, this is our leader factory. Our company has 2 factories. One is a sheet metal factory, one is a leader factory.
Okay.
So in this factory, there are showroom, leader machine production workshop, milling workshop, welding workshop, and the painting workshop.
That's good. So when GWEIKE was founded?
Our company was founded in 2004 by Mr. Zhang. Now it's 17 years.
2004. That's good. That's good. So how many employees does GWEIKE have?
Totally, we have 800 employees.
Wow, that's
so our
huge.
workshop total area is 60,000 square meters. So first, we will go to the showroom.
Okay, nice.
So in the showroom, there are our popular models. So our customers can come to our factory and find the proper model for their requirements.
Thanks. Let's go.
So first, let's get a visitor card.
Let's go and see.
Like, this.
All right. Thank you so much.
So let's go to the showroom.
Okay, let's get in. After you. All right.
So in the showroom, we'll show the laser cutting samples, our components, and the popular models. So first, I will show you the machine models.
That's good. So what's
This
up
way.
from this one? Okay.
This one is model LF1390. So LF means laser, fiber laser cutting machines. So the number means the cutting area. So 1390 is cutting area is 1.3 meter by 0.9. So this is a cutting area. It's totally closed, so it's very safe. The drive system is ball screw, high precision. So its laser power options, including 1 kilowatts, 1.5 kilowatts. Its maximum
That's the maximum.
is 3 kilowatts.
Okay. That's good.
So this model is very popular in developed countries because it's very safe, and for the customer need the small size machines.
Oh, that's good.
And this one is single table open type. So the model number is LF 3015LN. So its cutting area is 1.5 meter by 3 meter. It's open type. Its max running speed is 80 meter per minute. Maximum acceleration is 1G. So its laser power option is 1 kilowatts, 1.5 kilowatts, 2 kilowatts, and 3 kilowatts.
So what type of laser source do you use for this machine?
The laser source behind there's different option. So like the most famous one is IPG from USA. We also have the China laser source, GWEIKE,
Okay. So which one is better? What's the difference between IPG and GWEIKE? Like if I want to buy a machine, let's say, and I don't really know much about the laser source, which one would you recommend?
How to choose the laser source is depends
Yeah,
on your,
how to choose the laser source.
It depends on your requirements and also your budget. Okay, first IPG is a world famous brand, so it's famous, price is higher. And another advantage of IPG is that it can cut high reflective metal such as brass, aluminum. For the cutting mild steel and stainless steel, galvanized sheet. So GWEIKE IPG both good. It's like GWEIKE is more cost effective. So both okay. So you can choose depending on your requirements and your budget.
That's good. So what about this?
This is the control
looks
cabinet.
like a cabinet. Yeah.
Yes, the servo motor drive, computer, the control system board are in the cabinet. And the cabinet is equipped with AC, air conditioner, to cooling the equipment inside. So make sure the machine perform well.
Amazing.
So this one is also a open type single table. Its size is also 1.5 meter by 3 meter. The model number is LF3015CN. So it's like this better version.
So what is the difference between the two? Because for me, they look the same.
It looks very similar. So this one like a better version of that one.
Okay.
So like that one, the running speed is 80 meter per minute. This is 120 meter.
Oh,
so that
that's the
acceleration
difference.
is 1G. This is 1.5G.
Okay, I got it.
And the guide rail in this model is wider.
So what is the maximum laser power for this one? For
This one is 4 kilowatts.
4 kilowatts.
So like
and that one is
3.
3.
Yeah.
Okay.
1 kilowatts, 1.5 kilowatts, 2 kilowatts, 3 kilowatts, and 4 kilowatts. This
So
one,
what about this? Can you say something about this? Is the
this is a screen, so it's control the machine by here.
so we definitely need this to operate the
Yes,
machine.
this is standard configuration of the machine.
Okay.
And this is a popular model.
Wow.
So it's a plate and a tube cutting machine.
This is
So
amazing.
one machine can do two jobs.
Amazing.
The model number is LF3015 CNR. R means rotary. So its plate cutting area is 1.5 by 3 meter. And tube, the cutting length, the length has two options. This one is 3 meter and the bigger one is 6 meter. The tube cutting diameter is from 15 millimeter to 220 millimeter.
Oh, so these are some symbols, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So you can cut very complicated file in the tube.
Can it also cut like the square, something like that?
Yes, many kinds of tube like a round,
Yeah, round, square, or
oval, like a L type steel. Both are okay.
interesting.
So the machine has two software. So one software for the plate cutting and another software for the tube cutting. This one maximum power is also 4 kilowatts.
4 kilowatts.
So for some customer, they need to cut both plates and the tube. It's a perfect option because if you have no this kind of machine, you have to buy a plate cutting machine and also another tube cutting machine. The cost will be much more expensive, and you need more space in your workshop. So this one machine can do two jobs. Okay, you need less money and less space.
So which type of gas do you use for? Do you use air compressor or hair dryer?
The assisted gas has
Assistance gas, yeah.
has three options. So nitrogen, oxygen, and compressed air.
Oh.
So like nitrogen is mainly for the stainless steel cutting aluminum brass. So oxygen is for mild steel. Compressed air mainly can replace the nitrogen for some occasion, but cannot completely replace the nitrogen.
Okay.
So the advantage of compressed air is the cost is cheap and it is convenient because, for example, if you use nitrogen, so it's in one small bottle. So if you use one bottle, you need to change another one. It will take time. It will reduce your work efficiency. But if with compressed air, it's okay. Once connected, it can supply the gas all the time. You don't have to change. It will save your time, your cost, and energy.
So that would be a better option.
This one, does it look beautiful?
Wow, this is nice. It just looks like a spaceship, you know?
Yes. In my opinion, it looks like a beauty. So
Yeah, it's really
after
beautiful.
install in your factory, you
Yeah,
can have this beauty every day.
Yeah, this is a beauty.
The model number is LF3015GA. It's with protected cover and exchangeable. Later, I will introduce more details of this one.
All right.
So it can, this is the cover, and it's exchange table.
And
this is some
this
samples.
is samples. Amazing.
So this is a window, so you can check the working situation inside.
Oh, from here.
Yes.
This is like a protective glass.
Yes, it's
something.
leader-proof glass.
Amazing.
So like a laser machine, main including the machine body, and this is a control cabinet, and fiber laser source. This is the fiber laser source. This one is IPG 6 kilowatts. Laser source is the most important component of laser machine, and also the most expensive component of a laser machine. This is where the laser comes from.
Okay. You
This-
said it's 60
Yes.
kilowatts. 6,000 kilowatts.
6,000 watts. It's 6 kilowatts.
6 kilowatts.
This is the water chiller. Water chiller is for cooling the 5-liter sauce and the laser cutting head. This is the industrial dust collector. So this equipment will make the machine more environmental friendly. So because when cutting metals, there is some smoke. So it's connected with the pipe
It goes
to the dust collector. Because many countries are very strict about environmental protection.
yeah.
So the industrial dust collector become necessary.
Yeah,
for
we need to
equipment.
protect the environment.
Yep.
All right.
Do you want to see the samples?
Yeah, sure.
So we have a sample display. I show all kinds of metal and different thickness. This is a component of our machine. You can see the samples. This is the plate kind of samples and pipe samples.
Amazing.
This is metal steel. So the advantage of laser cutting machine is not only cutting speed is fast, but also the precision is perfect. We can have different type, different design. Security box. You can put your money inside. Well, there is an elephant inside.
Really?
So this is cutting by the laser cutting machine and then assemble.
Looks great. Looks great.
And this is Chinese temple.
Oh, and we do have a Eiffel Tower here.
Yeah.
Amazing, isn't it?
And a little chair
Yeah.
is cutting by a tube. These are brass samples, different thickness. And the security box is stainless steel.
So that's true.
This is also stainless steel. This one is aluminum.
Oh yeah, I can tell.
This is copper.
Let me see this.
Do you play games?
Not really. Not really.
This is aluminum. It's a different thickness.
It's good.
Like this can be used for decoration.
Oh yeah.
The horse is a line. Come on, show the tube samples.
All right.
This is stainless steel round pipe. So this Chinese word means good fortune.
A Chinese character.
Yes. You have stayed 4 years in China. Do you recognize this?
Yeah, sure. It's full, right?
Full? Yes. This one is smaller.
Amazing.
This one like a spring. So this is the spare too.
Oh yeah.
This is mild steel. We also have 5-axis tube cutting machines, so it's kind of more complicated tube. This is aluminum, the mild steel. This is the H-type steel. And this pipe.
Oh yeah.
Can see? So you can see the precision of the machines.
Interesting.
It can also cut the big tube. This the L steel. So compared with the traditional cutting tool and the drilling machine, the laser cutting machine with much better precision, and one time is okay. No need to process the parts again. The finish is good, the precision is good. You can see the accuracy. These are smaller hoops.
And it's a high precision.
Yeah.
Interesting.
These are the main components brand of our machines. So to guarantee the laser machine quality, so the components quality must be good. All our important components are the world famous brands. Like this is electric, magnetic one. This is Japan Yaskawa servo motor.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's quite heavy.
This is also from Japan, an SMC, pneumatic components. The guide rail is a high one, so I think it's the world most famous brand. And there's TBI boss screw. Like in boss screw, our high precision model, and the other models in the Z-axis, means the part of the laser head also use boss screw. This is a Panasonic servo motor. This is German guard motor reducer.
A motor reducer. All right.
And the rack, we have YYC Apex from Taiwan and Atlanta from Germany. This is the laser cutting head. It's also an important component of our machine. It's where the laser. Yes, the laser will come from this part. This is the nozzle, and to the metal we need to cut.
Which brand is it?
This is from Switzerland, Reuters.
Okay. Reuters. Right.
This is a brass brass sample. Do you recognize? You know this?
Yeah, sure. I've been there.
Yeah, it's Tiananmen Square in Beijing.
Yeah, I've been there. I've been there a couple of times.
And this is for celebrating the 70 years anniversary of the People's Republic of China and the fish. These samples are different thickness: brass, stainless steel, mild steel. And this is also made of brass. So the laser cutting machine can also help customers to produce some art products for decoration.
Amazing.
And this one, can read the Chinese. It means we are strategy partner with Zipcut.
Oh, okay.
Zipcut is the machine control software.
Oh, okay. All
It's
right.
the most popular control software of China. So this is the award we win in exhibition.
Oh,
So this proof. So we and our product from Hiven. And this
another proof.
is for the regard photo reducer. You know, in China there are hundreds, even thousands laser machine manufacturer, but some manufacturers, their price is extremely cheap, price much lower than a reasonable market price. But they,
Why is that?
But they say they use good components like Bluetooth, cutting head, YYC rack, the also motor, blah 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 blah. If price is much cheaper, there will be some problem. Probably they are fake brand.
Oh, you mean the quality is not
Yes,
as good?
cannot guarantee the quality. This is a Weikes fabric laser source. Weikes is the most famous Chinese brand of laser source. So we are strategy partner with Weikes.
Oh, that's
Weikes and GWEIKE. This is 6 kilowatts. And this is RPG, the world leader in fiber lasers. We have strategy cooperation with RPG.
That's good.
This is a horse. This sample is kind of ours. It's made of mild steel. It's a Merry Christmas tree. So
yeah,
so you-
the Christmas
You
tree.
buy a steel Christmas tree, you can use for real. You don't have to buy every year.
Amazing.
And this is the London Tower, London Bridge.
The London Bridge.
It's cut by mild steel plate. So you cut each part and then assemble. Now let's go to Paris. This is Eiffel Tower. It's made of stainless steel.
So funny. Abracadabra, Paris. Here we are.
Yeah, we are in Paris. And this is the beam. It's the third generation. So the first generation is steel beam, and the second generation is cast aluminum. This is aviation aluminum. It's stronger and lighter. So this is made by our Gateway milling machines. This is a laser welding machine with wire feeding function. So the welding machine is very easy to operate. Knowing the training, everybody can operate. Okay, after you see the demo machines in the showroom, let's go to the workshop. I will show you how the machines is made.
All right, let's go.
Let's go. This is our workshop 1 for fiber laser metal cutting machines. And this way, please. This one is a laser welding robot.
Okay.
So it's more automatic, so can weld complicated products for the customers.
So it's different from the one we saw in the,
That one is
in the
hand hold.
showroom. Okay.
You have to hold by your hand. This is a
The
robot.
robot, yeah.
It's a final robot.
Okay.
This is for fix the parts you need to weld. And this workshop is mainly produce single table open type little cutting machines, and the tube and the plate cutting machines, and high precision cutting machines. Like this one. This is the model we saw in
the showroom. Yeah,
It's
exactly.
the LF 1390.
Yeah, exactly.
So it's OEM for our distributor. It's black color. The glass is laser proof, CE standard. So like 1 kilowatts and 1.5 kilowatts, the laser source can be installed inside the machine. You can save space. So when you look, you can only see the machine, the trigger,
But the
exhaust
laser
fan.
is inside.
And this is the frame, the machine bed. So then they will install the ball screw and the servo motor. All this is waiting for production. And this one is already packed, waiting for the
shipping.
container. And this size is 1.5 by 3 meter. It can all the equipment, this model can be loaded in 120 feet container. Now they are installing the gantry. This way, please. This one is testing. So after installation, we need to run the machine cutting samples to check the cutting quality. So this is the retail laser head. Its model is BM10. It's for 1 kilowatts and 1.5 kilowatts. So when cutting different metal and different thickness, the laser head, the focus length is different. So there are two ways to adjust the focus length. One is manual, one is autofocus.
Autofocus, yeah.
That's why it's autofocus. So you can control in the software. It's much easier and very easy to operate. Another one is manual. Manual is in a button laser head. You have to adjust the focus length with the button by your hand. So it's much slower, and it will require experience of the operator. Only good components are not enough. So during the assemble, the quality control is very important. So we have professional equipment to check the precision, dynamic precision, like the ball bar you saw, and the laser interferometer, the metal plate in the dust cover, to in case when cutting some sparks will burn this to protect, prevent the fire. This one is also ready, is waiting for packing. Do you ever see little machine in your country?
Yeah, I've seen, but today I can say I've learned a lot about fiber laser cutting machines.
Like the single table open type laser cutting machine, it can perfectly replace the traditional metal cutting machine like plasma cutting machine. Because plasma speed is pretty slow and the finish not good. The burrs in the finish and the much heavier smoke. This machine is with 3 kilowatts IPG fiber laser source. Higher the power, the laser head will become bigger. You see it's bigger than the first one we saw.
I need to make sure that I got the right machine.
Yeah,
everything is all set, and then
after
I can
you
take
see
action.
the laser machine, you see what it can do. Definitely you will love the laser cutting machine.
Yeah, exactly. Coming here has been quite beneficial because from what I've seen from your website and what I'm seeing here, there's a huge difference. The fact that so it was really a good step for knowing about the company and also the machine and the quality.
Yeah. The new workshop total area is 30,000 square meters.
Wow, it's huge.
It's mainly produce a bigger size machine and a machine with a cover exchange table and a tube cutting machine and a coil cutting machine. Cutting tube.
Oh, you have seen another
demo,
machine?
yeah, showroom, yep.
This one is specialized just for the tube.
Yes, tube cutting.
Okay.
And the truck is pneumatic. Compared with the electric truck, it's more stable.
Okay.
With better cutting effect.
So what if my goal is okay? What would you recommend? Like using the dual use machine for the tube or this one for the tube? Which one would you recommend?
Pardon?
Like for example, for the dual use machine, the one we saw in the auto workshop, and this one.
It's same.
It's the same.
Yes.
Also the quality is also the
It's
same.
the same. This one is longer. This is 6 meters. In the showroom, it's 3 meters long. This one is longer. The cutting quality is the same.
It's the same.
Yes. The same model, same configuration, just the length is different. Like this rotary device, waiting for installation.
That's the machine bed, right?
This is the machine bed, right? This also 4.5 by 1.5 meter. So this part is the single table and bigger size.
Okay.
It's the width are 1.5 meter. The length is different. The length has 4.5 meter and 6 meter. So let's go to that part.
All right.
The machine ready, waiting for shaping. This part is for the big size machine with particle cover, with exchange table. Like this one, it's with 6 meter by 2.5 meter length. So
Here it is.
yeah, the number. It's the same series with the demo machine in the showroom, but this one is bigger size.
So what is the difference between GA and GH?
The difference is the configuration. GH means high, is for the high power laser cutting machines.
Oh, okay.
It's from 8 kilowatts to 25 kilowatts.
Oh, okay.
And the software is different. And running speed, acceleration is different. Like in GA series, the running speed is 120 meters per minute. GH is 200 meters per minute. And G's acceleration is 1.5 G. And GH is 2.5 G. And control software is different.
Yeah,
There's a touch screen.
Yeah, I can tell. It's different from that. From the ones that I've seen in the
Yes.
other machines.
This is a 12 kilowatts machine. 12 kilowatts.
Ooh.
This machine is under the mechanical installation. So after the machine milling, we install the guide rail and the rack, then the gantry. You can see the logo. It's Highwind.
Oh yeah.
So you know it's the true, not a fake brand. This is YYC.
It's been written here, Taiwan.
Yes. This is the TBI ball screw. This part will install the little cutting head. It's the Yaskawa servo motor beside, behind this. This is the exchange table. The table can exchange around 15 seconds.
Oh, let's go. That's fast.
This is the laser interferometer, like you can see. It will check the dynamic accuracy of the machine. For example, in the software, you want the machine moving 2 millimeter, but maybe it actually move 1.8 millimeter. It will show in the equipment, so you can make up in the servo motor drive to guarantee the precision of the machine. This is a laser interferometer.
So this equipment is really useful.
Yes, it's also expensive. And some small manufacturers, they don't have this professional equipment.
Oh.
So this one is with Weike's fabricator sauce. This one is also under mechanical installation. This machine is for Brazil. Plate and tube cutting. There's also the model LF6025G. This with retro cylinder cutting head. This is with Weike's fabricator sauce. Yes. This is tube cutting and plate cutting machine.
So what does GAR means? What does it mean?
The R means rotary. It's with tube cutting.
Oh,
R
okay.
means rotary.
So it means this machine can also cut.
The tube. Yes. So one machine, two job. It's fully
It's like
covered
the same we've seen there, but this one is
with the cover.
with
Yes.
the cover. Okay.
This machine. So you can see the pneumatic chuck. This is the gas pipe. Pneumatic chuck is more stable compared with electric chuck. This is 6 meter long. This device is a tube supporting system. So for the long tube, it can keep the tube stable to guarantee the cutting precision. That's why it's a professional tube cutting machine, only cutting tube. Its model is LF60M. So its cutting length is also 6 meter.
That's good.
Do you need to cut in tube? Metal tube?
Yeah, I do need, but not for now. Now I will go for
A plate
a
cutting?
plate cutting machine.
Yeah, okay, I understand.
Oh, this is the exchange table?
Yes, it's just table. So you can control the exchange table by the software.
Oh,
so
okay.
if you want to change, it can be automatically and manually. If you click automatically, it will finish the exchange.
Amazing.
These are the model LF3015A. This is the monitor, so you can see the cutting
operation.
process.
Okay.
So I see this machine. This machine is for Europe. You can see these are the
Oh, there is the CE.
yes, the CE logo. This is the quality control. You can see. So they have quality control for every step. So make sure every step is correct and meeting the design parameter, like the speed, the precision. This is the testing report of equipment. So there are so many items. So actually you're cutting all kinds of material, different thickness, to check the cutting performance. And this one is for air. Do you want the machine with cover or without the cover?
With cover will be better.
Yeah, it's safe.
Because
Can
it's
protect
environmental
the
friendly.
operator. So this will introduce the quality control system, our main products and the company history. This is a guide rail. So later I will show how the machine bed was made in this customer. They buy three machines together. Three machines, model LF3015GA. This is for North America, RPG 3 kilowatt.
Well, I've learned a lot today about the
And now
machines. I can say I'm an expert now.
Laser cells. You can say the brand is about, it's the brand. The another thing is about the laser power. You know, higher power can cut in more thickness. But the laser cells price is also higher.
So the cutting thickness depends on, goes with the laser source.
Yes.
Laser source
The
price.
cutting thickness is depend on the so and this part is the water chiller.
Oh, the water chiller.
This is for the 4 kilowatts fiber laser cells.
Water chiller.
2.5 meter. This is a 2.5 meter. This is a 6 meter. This is tube cutting. This one is 4 meter by 2. This is single tube machine, 6 meter, 2.5 meter.
VAR. So
That's why
rotary.
the difference is the rotary.
Rotary.
4 meter. All these machines are packing, waiting for shipment. You know, with development.
Yeah, I will contact you definitely. From
according
what I've
our-
seen today.
According to our experience, product than before. And also, some customer, before they have little machines, they outsourcing their products. They spend a lot of money. Maybe every year, the money you spend is more than the machine price. 1315 GAR. This is for Europe. Because Europe is strict about the safety, so the required machine is completely covered. Okay, after you see the new workshop, I will show you in the. Let's go.
Perfect, let's go.
This is our welding workshop. So we're making the machine beds, welding job in this workshop. Oh, we don't have our own gateway meeting machines to guarantee the quality and shorten the machine production time. So this is we have the gateway milling machine. This is our first gateway milling machines.
Okay.
So it's so this is the machine bed. Engineer is
the machine
fix the
bed.
bed. So after fix, start the milling to make sure the level of the bed activity. So last year we have our second gateway milling machines, 2.5 meter by 6 meter. This year our 30,000 square meter new workshop is ready to meet the requirement of more productivity. So we have the third gateway milling machine. This one is 2 by 4 meter. Now it's milling the beam. This is the aviation aluminum. So this one is ready.
It's quite
ready. So except the gateway milling machine, there are also some other CNC machines. So compared with other manufacturers, GWEIKE can produce more components by ourselves.
That's good.
So they can guarantee the quality at the same time. We can shorten the machine production time.
Oh, that's from what I see. I think GWEIKE is a really good company, isn't it? Yeah. So expect from this. Do you also have the non-metal cutting machines?
Yes, we also have.
I mean the CO2 lasers.
Yes, the CO2 laser engraving and cutting machines.
Oh,
come on, I will
that's
show you the CO2 laser machine workshop.
Oh, let's go.
This is our CO2 laser machine workshop.
Oh, wow, amazing.
CO2 laser machines is mainly for engraving and cutting non-metal materials.
That's great.
And on the left side, it's machine for our distributor in USA. One of our biggest market for our CO2 laser machines is USA. We can share around 50% market in the United States.
Wow, that's huge.
And this is for another distributor in USA, Full Spectrum.
Oh, it's written, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Full spectrum.
You can see the logo here.
Oh,
This one is small size. It's 600 by 400 millimeter.
that's good.
This is 1.3 meter by 0.9 meter.
It's huge.
And these machines is also for the full spectrum laser.
So full spectrum and both laser are your biggest distributor in the United States?
Yep.
That's good.
So like this small size machines is where it operates. Even some people, some family buy the small machine for some
okay.
hobby.
Oh, okay. Like they can use it at home. They
Yeah.
can use it indoors. Okay, that's good.
So like you can make some small gifts, like wood, acrylic, paper.
Yeah,
If you have one small machine, you can cut in your own wedding card.
I would love to see that.
Yeah, this size is 0.6 by 0.9 meter.
Okay. Oh, it's not ready yet. It's still in the making.
This is our most popular CO2 laser machine model. Its model number is LC1390N.
That's good.
And it's autofocus up and down table, full side open.
That's huge.
So now these
Are
machines
they the same
on
size? I think it's quite different from this one. Is it the same?
Size is the same,
Or same size?
model different.
Wow.
This is also for our distributors machines.
That's good.
Now these machines are in production. You can see the quantity, so many machines.
Yeah, I can tell. That's good.
So last year, we produced more than 5,000 sets CO2 laser engraving and cutting machines.
Wow, that's huge.
This is the four-side open design. So, for example, if your material is bigger than the working size, it can come through over long, over
You
wide.
can make it comfortable. Yeah, make it easier for the
Yes.
customer.
So you can process large size material.
That's good. What about this side? Is it
This is the same.
the same machine?
These are already finished.
Already
This machine is still under production.
Oh, okay.
So its transmission system is a step motor and a belt.
Is this the laser source? Or what is this?
This is the laser head.
The laser head?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
It's autofocus.
Autofocus. That's good. So which brand is this?
It's our own design.
This one. Okay.
Cleaning, so it's ready after cleaning, so it can pack. You can pack in the machines and put into the containers.
Oh, okay. So it's like
Yes, before packing, you need to clean the machine first, and check.
so then it's ready to go. That's good. So I wanted to know, do you guys make the? Because I want to buy a machine that's 1.3 meters by 0.9 meters. Which one would you recommend?
I think
Amazing. I would love that. I'd love to see that. Amazing. Yeah, that's amazing.
This
So
machine,
what do we have here? Yeah,
this is
exactly.
also OEM. So we produce for our distributors, like an orange color and a green color.
Is it for one of your distributor?
Yeah. This is this one is a little bigger. Is 1.8 by 1.2 meter.
Wow, that's huge.
This is the fiber laser welding machines.
Oh, okay.
So the machine is very easy to operate. It can weld almost all kinds of metals. You even can weld different metals together.
Laser is not CO2, right?
It's fiber laser.
Fiber laser.
Yes, fiber laser is suitable for the metal material.
Oh, that's great. That's great. So what kind of laser source do you use for this machine?
We have different options like IPG, the US brand, and another 2 Chinese brand.
This is a
Yes, this is the fiber laser source. So it's chiller.
that's good.
This machine is production finished, waiting for packing.
We're waiting for the shipping.
So come on, we will show you a demo.
Oh yeah, I can't wait. Can't wait to see that.
This is the model LC 1390N. It's the 4-side open design. This is the autofocus head. So the machine, including the main machine body, the water chiller, air pump. So now it's cutting acrylic.
It's exactly what I want, man. Okay, some show. Let's enjoy the show.
So you can see the belt transmission. It's a little dolphin.
Oh, amazing. Can I have it? Can I touch it?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, perfect result.
So I will show you the up and down table.
Okay.
It's automatically up and down. So you even can put a rotary to engraving round material like a bottle or glass. So it can engraving almost all kinds of non-metal.
Non-metal.
Okay. Even marble and weighted board and fruits. So it's popular in the advertising company, like making a sign, gift. And usually the most popular material is the acrylic, wood,
It's really amazing.
MDF, and paper.
Yeah,
And this is the blade table. So we also have a honeycomb blade. You can put it down so you can engraving soft material like cloth, leather, fabric.
That's really amazing. So I'd like to know how long does it take for the lead time, the delivery time?
So for the
How long
machines,
does this
we
take?
can finish within 7 working days.
Wow, that's good. So I've seen a lot of machines here. How do you handle the quality control and the accuracy? It might not be easy, right? There are a lot of machines here.
Yep, except the silver machine and also the 5mm metal cutting machines. So every machine has many components. So the component quality and quality control during the production is very, very important to guarantee the good quality. So today we invite our quality control manager to introduce how we do the quality control to guarantee the machine quality.
Oh, that would be great.
Next, we invite our quality control manager to show all the audience how we do quality control to guarantee the machine quality.
Hello everyone, this is Jiao Xiubing, the Quality Inspection Department Manager of GWEIKE. Now I will show GWEIKE Quality Control process. Now I will show raw material inspection. For example, our laser uses RPG laser source, the best laser source in the world. GWEIKE, the best laser source in China. Our company has established a clean room inspection to confirm that the protective glasses are free of debris, including specifications and the models must meet the requirements of our company. The raw material testing manual must be implemented according to the ISO 9001 standard. Second, we have to test each cutting head to confirm that the appearance and the packaging are intact. All parts must have international certification such as ISO 9001 and inspection reports laser heads and laser source tests are conducted in our company's clean room. Guide rail detection, GWEIKE uses Taiwan guide rail. There are many drawings for photometry, which must meet the requirements of our company and ISO 9000 certification. The inspection report of the appearance certificate must have attached accessories. We will inspect all guides. The fourth step is ruler inspection. The ruler mainly inspects the appearance. The main body of the bed is to see if there is any defect in the slug of the leak-free welding and virtual welding. The overall requirement is that we generally require the error to be controlled within 2 meters, the focus line to be controlled within 3 meters, and the vertical requirements to be 2S. It's hardness and certificate. The sixth is maintenance inspection. The inspection of machine's part is not allowed to have burrs. It must have chamfers, in addition to bumps and scratches, and the surface roughness chamfers marked on the outside of the joints. We must meet our roughness inspection if the tolerance requirements are clearly specified on the drawing. What is actually exceeded is the fitting. Let's take a look at some of our process inspection. After the bed enters our workshop, we will use a collimator to adjust parallelism of the bed. Within the control of 20, after finding the parallel, we use the collimator to do x-axis and y-axis inspection. All bolts must be naturally made to meet the requirements. The strictness of the rake wheel is parallel. Degrees are required to be less than 30. Besides, the x-axis and y-axis beds must be cleaned with line flow gas line. We all use marble to check the verticality of y-axis of our bed. Our verticality requires are within 2 threads. Our copying machines are actually 24 hours copying machines. Next, we use a ball bar. After testing copy machine 24 hours, we do ball bar test, their x-axis and y-axis. Black lash must be all 30. Check the cutting samples again. Dictation of the requirements for pulp cutting is that the opening of the square pulp is delayed to the sides. The upper and the lower surface are poor, and the front and the left forks are controlled within 50. The next step is interferometer test to test the positioning accuracy of our machine. The positioning accuracy of x-axis and y-axis is less than 2 wheels. We have reached the whole machine quality. After the inspection, the XY axis of the reduced wheel with the seam fluidity should be less than 30. As the mechanical and electrical consolidation loose are some springs of the reduced loose. Besides, we detect some electrical appliances, water and gas circuits, solenoid valves and pronation valves of the circuit, as well as an independent electrical cabinet on both sides of the chiller, the x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, and the protection limit. After the whole machine is tested, see if the performance of our whole machine meets our factory standards. The appearance of this sheet metal corresponds to no bump, no scratches, no leakage, and no obvious slit. Whether the welding seam is consistent, the gap is less than 3 meters. We have to detect whether the dust cloth is damaged. Is the door locked properly? If it's damaged, we have to strictly implement our quality inspection report. After each item, we have an electronic version of the report in the Max system, and some of our paperless office passes to our computer. There is a piece of data. We analyze it through the computer. We store each resource report in Max system 3 years.